How to cancel subscription on Hulu. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to cancel subscription on Hulu. So in order to cancel subscription on Hulu, first thing you know the drill, you need to log in into your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and select the profile icon from the top right, and when you select the profile icon, go to accounts. As you click on account, it's going to take you to the account info page. Under it, go to the section that says plans and subscription. Under it, go ahead and select your plans. Under your plan, go ahead and select cancel, or you can just go to the section that says cancel your subscription. If you're sure about it, click the cancel button, and then it's going to provide you with all of the information that's going to be needed. So go through it and click on continue to cancel if you're sure about it. After you do that, next page you have to enter in the password in order to confirm it, and as you do that, you've successfully canceled your subscription on Hulu. That's how you can cancel subscription on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.